Hello, good morning. This is Jonah Mark and let's discuss breakfast. Pamahaw in Ilonggo. This is bangus, itlog, and kanon. And my order is tocilog, tocino, sinangag, and itlog. Yummy. Kaon ta. Let's eat. Kaon ta or pamahaw ta. Mahaw ta. Coffee is called Kape and milk is gatas. Stir is called lugay. And this is cucharita, the small cuchara. This is taza, and this is platito, saucer. Taza is cup. So let's drink to that. Inom. Isa pa kakape. That's what you say if you ask for one more coffee. Mainom kita kape.
Mainom kita kape.
Let's drink coffee.
How about I am drinking?
Nagainom ako kape.
Nagainom ako kape. What about
Perfect.
he is drinking coffee?
Nagainom siya kape.
Nagainom siya kape. What about we are drinking coffee?
Nagainom kami kape.
Magainom kami.
Nagainom.
Nagainom kami.
Naga is present. But when you say nagainom, kape, inom kape, it's a bit formal. The new way of saying it now is just Nagkakape. Kape. Kape has become a verb. So you can say drinking coffee. You just say Nagkakape.
Nagkakape.
It's like
In Tagalog.
Nagkakape. Nagkakape. So
Mayo.
maayo or mine.
Mayo.
Good. This is John Mark. I'm done with my coffee and breakfast. Tapos na ko pamahaw. I'm done with my breakfast.
Yeah, really fast.
Tapos na ko pamahaw. I'm done with my breakfast.
Tapos na ko pamahaw.
Great. And I'm full. Busog na ko.
Busog na ko. Busog nag. Very.
No. Busog na ko.
Busog na ko.
In Tagalog, busog na busog. But in Ilonggo, busog.
Sounds a bit like German. Pussy, like kiss.
That sounds...
A buzzle. A pussy.
That sounds...
You cut that out. Not pussy.
It sounds exactly...
Mushy. A buzzle.
Bye! Jonah Mark. And... empty plate. BUSO. And I love you all. Bye-bye.
Why don't you delete these? Delete these. Seriously, I should order.
Bye-bye.